What's going on, guys? Coach Chrispect here. Just coming to you with a quick video about what you guys can do with your video game inventory. Make yourself an extra $1,000 and take your video game inventory and send it to Amazon. Let Amazon sell it for you and pay you cash for what you got in storage. We have about 100 games that have been just sitting around in storage and collecting dust. A lot of great titles, and I've been scanning them. Watch the video. You're gonna see that these games have a return of anywhere from $5 to $25 per game. On average, $12. If you add that up, I have 100 games. That's $1,200 sitting in a box in my storage. Why not send all that inventory to Amazon, make yourself $1,200 and go buy a brand new system, or do whatever you want with the $1,200. Guys, this is inventory. This is 100 units towards your goal of making $100 a day. Make sure you guys are optimizing what you have in your home, whether it be books, whether it be old video games, things like that have monetary value. Other people will want to buy them.